Chapter 8, Editing in MS Excel 2016. To autofit column width. The autofit feature will allow you to set a column's width to fit its content automatically. 1. Position the mouse over the borders between the column headers so the cursor becomes a double arrow. 2. Double click the mouse. The column width will be changed automatically to fit the content. You can also auto fit the width for columns. You just have to select the columns you want to auto fit and then select the auto fit column width command option from the format drop down menu on the home tab. This can also be used for row height to change column width with a specific measurement one. Select the columns you want to modify. 2. Click the format command button on the home tab. The format drop down menu appears. 3. Select column width. To modify row height, 1. Position the cursor over the border between the row headers so the cursor becomes a double arrow. 2. Click and drag the mouse to increase or decrease the row height. 3. Release the mouse. The height of the selected row will be changed. 4. The column width dialog box appears. Enter a specific measurement. 5. Click OK. The width of each selected column will be changed in your worksheet. To change row height with a specific measurement 1, select the rows you want to modify. 2. Click the Format command button on the Home tab. The Format drop-down menu appears. 3. Select row height. For the row height dialog box appears. Enter a specific measurement. 5. Click OK. The height of each selected row will be changed in your spreadsheet.